Could we have a river of Mars in Earth? RioTinto is a river situated in Spain in the province of Huelva. This river springs in Sierra Morena and mouth in Atlantic Ocean, famous for her rich earth in mineral and chromatic effects that produce in the water of the river. Renowned in a scientific community like Mars on Earth, due to its weather conditions are very similar to the conditions of red planet. With high density in water, little oxygen, and acid pH, Rio Tinto is a place for the scientific exploitation, and some scientifics believe that is weather conditions. The conditions that are in a place allow the life of unicellular microorganisms, which suggests that they could be facing an evolutionary process like that of our planet. Perhaps some new species could appear in the universe, more evolved than ours, because the microorganisms will be able to live in extreme conditions of acidity, low concentration of oxygen, and little food sustenance. In the past, science could believe that in Rio Tinto was habitable, although after some studies the iron oxide and sulfuric acid are produced by microorganisms that feed with iron. Additionally, a student of Madrid University concludes that in Rio Tinto must have some subterranean life undiscovered. In addition to the previous statement, Rio Tinto possessed many similarities with Mars chemical conditions. Thus, Amils, an astrobiologist, affirms that if there is living begin in Mars, it may have some life forms. To conclude, we can say if the life in the depths of Rio Tinto is produced in Mars, we might build a civilization over there.